wait a really long time given our issues with starting. So if you're hearing me babble, that is why. If you're not hearing me babble, that's also why. So here we go. Here is app 9, and here is your video tutorial. In app 9, we are going to be looking at qualitative analysis, and specifically we're going to be looking at some interview data and how we might code that. So here's the situation. Imagine you were hired as an evaluation consultant to the United States Tennis Association directly after graduating. The administration is in the process of evaluating their adult league tennis program and wants to know how to improve it. In order to help them with this question, they ask you to interview league participants to find out what their experience in league tennis is like and what's important to them. Below is the transcribed text of one of those interviews. Here is what you will do. Read the data once without doing anything. As you read, look for commonalities between the responses. Create names for these commonalities or similarities. This is your coding system. These are your codes. Write the codes at the bottom of this document or on a separate sheet if it's easier. And I have started a table for you that you can use. Highlight the data according to your codes. You may need to rethink things as you go and change. That's okay. Provide at least one quote example for each code. Count up how many examples you have in each code. And then based on your findings, what recommendations do you have? So here's how it works. So I scroll down, here's the interview data. Let's say, just an example, let's say family involvement is a similarity you see. So I'm going to scroll down to my bottom table and put code, family involvement, share this example. And then I'm going to look for things that are family involved. Okay. Originally my wife started playing tennis and then my kids started playing as a junior. And I never did play until, well, I think this looks like family involvement, so I'm going to highlight it. That's what I've been playing. Maybe that's important. And I'm going to go up here in words, a little highlight thing. We have lots of options here. We can actually use more. The bucket, that's what I was thinking about. So we can use lots of options in there. So let's say I highlight this funky green color. Okay. And then I'm going to come down to my table. I'm just going to say funky green. Now, how will I know what that is? I'm going to highlight this entire thing and do that. Okay. Example quote. You can pick any of them. I'll use this one. Copy it, highlight it, copy it. Put it in there, paste. And then what currency is right now 1 in many cases. And I'm going to do that throughout the document. Now, you don't go through and look for every family involvement, then go back and look for your next code, then go back and look for your next code. You can do them all at once. And that's why I said you may start with family involvement. As you go, realize it's not so important. You may delete it, may change it, it may look like something else. Excuse me for sneezing. And that's the way it works. Once you have coded this one interview, what recommendations will you make? And again, I've provided a space for you to do that. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.